We are Imperial Design from the DeGroote School of Business. We are here to demonstrate that the most creative teams are those with the most diverse team members. Bringing together our collective backgrounds and experiences lets us see things from every possible angle and unlocks insights that would otherwise remain hidden. Design thinking is an art form that we have had the pleasure of learning and working with over the last several years. It inspires us to learn and think in new ways using the business design framework to take ambitious ideas and turn them into realistic goals and strategies. It gives us a fresh perspective on how to design products, processes, and tailor-made strategies for the users, businesses, and communities of the future. To be the leading edge of business, we need to apply a design thinking lens to the way we view the world. Thinking in these terms challenges us to push our boundaries and break away from convention. It cultivates a strategic flexibility and derives solutions that can accommodate whatever the world throws at it. In preparing for the Rotman Design Challenge, we came across a Toronto-based initiative that exemplifies all three pillars of business design: prototyping, empathy, and strategy. Stopgap is a Canadian non-profit organization that works to raise awareness, educate the public, and increase accessibility around Toronto. Their goal is to help solve what they've identified as a global accessibility deficit by mobilizing entire communities in a project to design, build, and distribute brightly colored ramps to allow everyone to access businesses. Stopgap's success comes from their ability to empathize with both business owners and their clients that have accessibility needs. Understanding the issues faced by members of the community facing mobility challenges helps them design ramps and public education campaigns in a way that achieves the maximum impact. Understanding that many small business owners have limited time and money to make their buildings accessible has allowed them to design a three-step ramp ordering process that is quick, easy, and affordable. Stopgap went through a series of iterations in order to arrive at the best model to serve its goals. By positioning themselves as a social enterprise that creates both economic and social value, Stopgap is able to leverage donations, government grants, and revenue from its community ramp projects to provide a low-cost and easily accessible way to overcome both physical and attitudinal barriers, and are leading a growing movement of barrier elimination. This cutting-edge approach turns simple and innocuous wooden ramps into tools that support a robust, three-pronged strategy. The ramps themselves provide accessibility. The bright colors support public awareness by drawing attention and contrasting the accessible businesses with the surrounding ones that lack ramps. And the proceeds from the ramp sales support continued advocacy and movement building on the part of the Stopgap Foundation. Making these ramps easily available to any business that needs one removes most of the friction associated with making businesses accessible at a fraction of the cost of most other options. This has set them up to win as an organization and does the same for the broader community, achieving a synergistically high impact. This puts them way ahead of the curve in their industry, and will only get better as they evolve. In short, the company embodies the core principles of design thinking, and we couldn't be more excited to watch them continue to do great things in the future.